And hi there, and welcome to another educational video from Wondershare Dr.Fone. I am Francisco, and in today's video, we're going to discuss why your Google Pixel is stuck on the Google screen and a couple of different ways to resolve this issue. So finding your Pixel device stuck on the Google logo screen is not a pleasant experience, and it can happen for many reasons, but there is no need to worry, as in this video, we are going to tell you exactly how to fix this issue in minutes. But before we begin with our main Pixel stuck on the Google screen tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive future updates. Now without any further ado, let's move to our main topic. Part 1. So what causes Google Pixel screen to get stuck on the boot logo? So we first start with what causes Google Pixel stuck on the Google logo issue. So there are going to be many reasons why it can happen, ranging from issues with boot settings to physical damage to the device itself. So let's go through some common reasons for your Pixel device being stuck on the boot screen. Malware attacks. Sometimes dangerous malware can find its way into your Google Pixel device, causing all sorts of trouble. It can mess with important system files and processes, which might actually result in your Google Pixel 3a, for example, getting stuck on the Google screen. Lack of storage. Imagine your Google Pixel as a busy room. If it's cluttered with too much stuff, there won't be enough space for everyone to move around smoothly. Similarly, if your phone storage is running low, it can struggle to load all of the necessary files during startup. This can lead to a sluggish booting process or even a complete freeze, leaving your Pixel stuck in fast boot mode. Water damage. Now, if your Google Pixel takes an unexpected dip in the water, for example, or encounters any kind of liquid mishaps in general, it can cause serious damage to its internal components, including the screen, even if most Google Pixel phones are water resistant. Water damage can lead to all sorts of issues, like a malfunctioning or non-responsive screen, leaving you with a Pixel 7 Pro frozen screen. Outdated OS. Keeping your Google Pixel's operating system up to date is necessary to keep its performance optimized. If you neglect those important software updates, your device's compatibility with newer features and hardware can suffer. This lack of compatibility might result in your Google Pixel 6 screen getting frozen. Part 2. 6 solutions to solve Google Pixel screen stuck on boot loop. Now let's move to different solutions to resolve the Google Pixel 7 frozen screen issue. During this video, we will discuss 6 easy and fast solutions to resolve your problem and restore your Pixel device to its proper functionality. Solution number 1. Force restart. So when your Pixel gets stuck on Google screen, one of the first things that you can try is a good old force restart. It's like giving your phone a little kick to shake off any temporary bugs or glitches that might be causing the problem. Plus, it gives your device's processors a fresh start. Now, here's going to be how you can force restart your Pixel device. First, to force restart your Pixel smartphone, simply press and hold the power button for around 30 seconds until the device reboots. Solution number 2. Leave the phone and let the battery drain completely. If you're hesitant to force restart your Google Pixel device, there is another option that you can try to fix the Pixel 7 Pro screen frozen issue. So simply just let your device sit untouched for a while and allow the battery to drain itself completely. This method can be particularly useful if your mobile battery is already running low. Afterward, just charge your device for a while and then turn it on using the power button. Solution number 3. Check storage and clear space. Having low storage space on your Pixel device can actually lead to Google Pixel 3 getting stuck on the Google screen. So your device's operating system, or OS, requires at least 10% of available space to run smoothly. So you will need to free up some space if it is full. Here is how you can check storage and clear unnecessary files on your Pixel device. First, just open the Settings app on your Google Pixel phone and then find the storage option. Tap on it to access the storage status of your device. Then, in order to free up some space, all that you're going to have to do is just select the Free Up Space option. This will allow you to choose which data you want to delete from your device. Solution number 4. Check for software or app update. Your Google Pixel gets stuck on G-screen issue can happen if you haven't been keeping up with important updates for both the operating system and apps on your device. So neglecting these updates can affect your phone's performance and lead to the accumulation of system bugs. Here's how you can update your Pixel's OS and apps. So for the OS, just open the Settings app on your Google Pixel device and scroll down to the bottom until you see the System option. After selecting System, just go ahead and tap System Update. on the next screen and then check if there is a system update available. In case there is, just follow the on-screen instructions to update your Pixel device. Now for updating specific apps and the like, what you're going to want to do is just open the Google Play Store on your Google Pixel and then look for the profile icon located in the top right corner. Tap on it and select Manage Apps and Device. And then here, you're going to want to look at the Updates Available tab, where you need to press and then see details. Afterward, locate the app that you want to update and then press Update from there. Solution number 5 is going to be using Dr.Fone System Repair for Android. So this is going to be one of my favorite methods. In case nothing has worked so far, you can use a specialized tool to resolve the Google Pixel 7 screen frozen issue. The best tool to resolve this issue is Wondershare Dr.Fone System Repair for Android. It is a complete toolbox that can resolve almost all Android system issues with ease. Moreover, it is also your safest bet to restore your Pixel device to a proper working state. So with Dr.Fone System Repair, the process of resolving the Google Pixel getting stuck on the screen issue also becomes a lot easier. Now let's go through the step-by-step process of resolving this issue using Dr.Fone. So first, download and install Dr.Fone on your computer and finally launch it. Here, select Toolbox from the left side and then connect your Pixel device to the computer. After the program detects your device, just select System Repair and then Android to proceed from there. Press Start to initialize the process, and the next screen provides the details of your device like brand, name, model, country, and carrier, just important details like that. Afterward, tap Next and follow the on-screen instructions to enable download mode on your device. Once the download mode has been enabled, the program will start downloading the relative firmware automatically. After it is downloaded, click Fix Now from there. Now you will be required to confirm your action and agree to the warning by inserting the 000000 code. The repair process will then automatically start once you have entered the code from there. Solution number 6. Post your question to the Google forum. So if you're exhausted at this point, then all of your other options have pretty much gone out the window, and you might not still be able to find a solution to fix the Google Pixel that is stuck on the Google screen issue. You can return to the Google forums for help. These forums serve as an online community for Google Pixel users, so by posting your question or describing your problem on Google forums, there is a good chance that someone within the community will be able to help you out. Part 3. How to avoid Google Pixel getting stuck on boot. So once you've successfully resolved the Google Pixel 2 or any other Google Pixel really getting stuck on the G screen, it's important to take these steps to prevent this from happening in the future. So here are going to be some tips to help you avoid this coming up. Up-to-date OS. Make sure that your Google Pixel phone is always running the latest version of Android. Regularly check for system updates and install them promptly. Official apps. Stick to downloading and installing apps exclusively from the Google Play Store on your Pixel. Avoid installing apps from unknown or unverified sources at all costs. Clean malware. So keep your Pixel free from malware by exercising caution while browsing the internet. Avoid visiting suspicious websites and refrain from clicking on untrusted links. Free up some storage. Be mindful of the number of apps that you install and the amount of storage space that you utilize on your Pixel. Overloading your phone with too many apps or filling up the storage can slow down your device and make it more prone to experiencing the same system issues. So the Dr.Fone Toolkit. Consider using Wondershare Dr.Fone to protect and manage your phone data. This tool offers various features to help keep your Google Pixel in optimal condition. From data management to protection, Dr.Fone can be a valuable companion in ensuring your device stays free from issues. And with that out of the way, today's topic has reached its end. So thank you for watching this video all the way up until the very end, and hopefully it was helpful in resolving your Pixel screen freeze issue. So give this video a thumbs up to show your appreciation and give your feedback using the comment section. Before saying goodbye, do make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon to receive future updates. Now with that said, until next time, have a good one.